All right, so this is really good news. It's finally raining in Texas. All right, I think it's ready. Couple swings. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I was walking down along this gravel and look at this. Look at that. Looky here, guys. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another adventure from Ammonite Creek. I am your host, the Diamond Miner, for those of you that are new to my channel. We finally have rain falling here at Ammonite Creek. I wanted to come out here while it's raining, and I made it. We haven't received a whole lot of rain, but we are getting rain. Let's get down to the creek and check it out. I forgot what it's like to see this. That's where I got the truck stuck. Thing was buried. I just wanted to come out here live while it's raining, and as you can see, the creek is starting to fill up. Yeah, this is not a river. Some of you post, where is this river located? This is not a river. The creeks in Texas can be very large. This creek is maybe 5 foot deep at the most, and the shallowest is, you know, a half a foot in spots. It's just a little creek. So this is awesome. This is great. Hopefully that hard rain is coming and get this creek flowing, get all this material to tumble, and that will expose new fossils. I will be coming out here with my gold mining equipment, do some gold panning. There is gold in Texas. There's gold in the Brazos River. There's gold in almost every creek and river in the United States. It's just that the gold here in Texas is almost like a powder, and it's very hard to collect. Yeah, I don't really expect to find anything today. I have walked these gravel bars so many times, but I've left so many things behind. So I guess we will take something home today, like this beautiful taco ammonite that's going to be going to one of my Patreons, element and gemstone collectors monthly package. Once you're a returning element and gemstone collector, I will send you stuff like this: unsearched diamond ore from the Crater of Diamond State Park, quartz crystals from Arkansas, gemstones from all around the world. I have missed so many ammonites, the little bitty ones for sure. When I first started to come out here, I never looked for the really small ones. I didn't even know they existed. I just assumed all these ammonites were really big out here. Come on, just one little ammonite somewhere. And I won't be able to stay out here too long. The road to get out here is getting really muddy. 4x4s out on the truck. What do we have here? Half of one. All right, so this is really good news. It's finally raining in Texas. I just wanted to get out here and let you all know that we have finally receiving rain. Ooh, 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 ooh-ba-doo-ba-doo. What's that? There's some stuff in here. There's tons of fossils in here. Some of you say I've got a really good eye, and I do have a really good eye. I'm the guy that, well, let's say I'm the kid that could find the remote control. I'm the kid that could find the keys. I'm the kid that found this. I'm the kid that could find stuff. When people would lose things, I'm the one that, normally the one that would find it. Because I set my mind to what I'm looking for, and I look for that only. I'm not thinking about other stuff. I'm just looking for that specific item. If I come out here and just focus on shark's teeth, that's probably all I'm gonna find, because you're looking for really small pointy things in all that gravel. Oh, see, I'm looking for stuff like this, rounded little ribs, lines, like ammonites. Oh my gosh, look at all this gravel. Look at this line right here. This is kind of different. Got some really black, dark rocks. Let me bring my magnet over here. See if any of this rock is magnetic. Ooh, check out this guy. Fossil right there. So we checked out all of that area, and I was walking down along this gravel, and look at this. Look at that. Looky here, guys. It's a big ammonite. I don't know what kind of shape it's in. Definitely an ammonite. Would need the hammer drill. Get that one out. What kind of bug is that? Is that a beetle? Oh, look at this ammonite. I may run up to the truck. Oh, I don't have the hammer drill. I do have my hammer. Might be able to remove that one with just my hammer. I'm gonna go grab my hard rock hammer and get back out here and try to get that one, because it's starting to come down pretty good. Matter of time, that creek's gonna start flowing with water. Before I know it, this will all be underwater. 2 to 3 feet underwater, covering up all these fossils. Now's the time to get it. Hey, subscribe to the Diamond Miner. Back over here, got the hammer. I noticed this right here on the way back. I have no safety glasses. So every time I strike, I gotta close my eyes and I can't forget. Well, sometimes they pop right out. I like to focus more on this one because it's kind of sticking out. All right, I think it's ready. Couple swings. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Yeah. Whoo. Look at that one. Beautiful ammonite. Look at that imprint. That's a good one to practice on prepping. Work all that mud out in the center. Look at that detail. Whew, another huge ammonite here at Ammonite Creek. Was not expecting to find that one. Man, that thing's massive. Successful trip once again. That's at least 20 pounds, 25 pounds. Man. Let's clean this ammonite up a little bit. As you can see, there's some mud, grass, and this is the side that has been exposed, and this is the side that was in the mud. Definitely preserved much better than the other side, because the other side had water flowing over it for hundreds of years, if not thousands and thousands of years. And what I like to use to clean these up is water. All right, most of the mud, as far as like the mud that's like slimy mud, this hard ancient mud is still attached. This would require a air chisel, or even the Dremel tool works. Engraver, I believe. You can get the little Dremel engraver and get the right chisel tip. It will actually remove this ancient mud. Like this side here, it has a lot of that ancient mud. So those little Dremel tools works pretty well. And I should have a link in the description below. I'm not a fossil prepper. I don't really find pleasure in sitting there for hours and hours chipping at this mud. I've got other things I need to be doing. I just don't have the time really to just sit there. For some of these fossils, they take months and months to prep. I just don't have that type of time. It's either prep fossils and no YouTube videos, or make YouTube videos and I'll let you prep the fossils. Incredible detail. Man, this is absolutely an amazing specimen right there. Very rare. That's going to wrap it up for this adventure at Ammonite Creek. We finally got rain. I come out here for 10 minutes and found a beautiful ammonite. Thank you all so much for the support. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and leave a thumbs up. Until next time, take care everybody. Thanks for watching.